Hi, and welcome to one of my favorite tunes of all time, Lambada, or On the Floor, the main theme by Jennifer Lopez. This song includes all the rhythms that we learned so far in this course, including the last one, the dotted quarter notes. Plus, it has most of the notes that we studied in the four strings. So let's go ahead and break down the song. Okay, the time signature is 4/4. So that means 4 beats in the bar, and we start on the fourth beat. This is a pickup note, so we count 1, 2, 3, and then we start on the fourth, which is the E on the fourth string, second fret, and then another E. So we play this with the thumb, and then we play this the next E with the index, and this is the dotted quarter notes. So we count 1, 2, and then on the end we play the D, third finger. So these three notes sound like this. If I start from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and I'm sure you're all familiar with the song. And then we continue with the C, B, A. So again, this part, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Again. And then we start from the A where we finished. A, C, B, A. So these four notes again. Then G on the same string. A again. Then the second finger goes up on the fourth string, second fret, playing the E, then D, and then finish on E for 3 beats, 1, 2, 3. So from the second bar, which starts with the A, all the eighth notes goes like this. I'll play that again slowly. And then basically it repeats again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. But this time it lasts for 4 beats, not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes the tricky part, a little bit tricky for the left hand. We start on the D, C, and here comes the tricky part. You finish on the C, and now you have to go all the way to the F. So it goes like this. So that's a little bit tricky because you need to skip the third string and land on the fourth string, third fret. And then we're gonna do something shaped like a diagonal. After you play the F, you play the A, and then you play the C, and then you play the E first string. Okay, and right hand, if you play the F with the I, then it's the M, the next string, and then the I, and then the M. So let's play this part again. And then repeat this part, the D, C, jump to the F, and then A, C. Now instead of playing the E again, the first string, we're going to play the second string open, and then play A, G, 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 A, G, A. Let me play that from the beginning of the D, which is the note after the whole note. I know this is a little bit tricky, so stay with me. Okay, I hope you got that. If you can't follow me, stop the video and practice this riff until you can play it in that speed or even slower. The important thing is you got to get all the notes. And don't worry if it will take you some time. Maybe it will take you a few minutes, maybe it will take you a few days. It doesn't matter. Okay, the important thing that at the end you can play it smoothly with no mistakes. Forget the speed now, aim for accuracy. And then we're gonna repeat the whole thing again, except for the ending. Here comes the parts that's different. C, B, A, and then play the E, and then we're gonna repeat the whole thing from the first repeat sign. Okay, so we're gonna play through the whole thing again on the second time, but on the second time when we reach this part, we're gonna skip number 1 and we play number 2, the ending, which is basically the same thing, and instead of the E it's a rest, means that this is the end of the song. So let me play the second repeat for you. Then we stop. Okay, so let's go ahead and play it with the metronome now. So I'm gonna play it now with the metronome on the speed of 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this song. I'm sure you're going to impress a lot of your friends playing the lambada for them. Uh, this was the last song in this course. In fact, it was the last song or exercise in the entire course. Thank you for sticking with the course until now. I will see you in the next section where we're going to take a look at what's coming next in the next course and the summary and the conclusion of for this course. Very proud of you. I thank you very much for sticking until the end, and I will see you in the next section. Thank you and goodbye.